All right, welcome back. And I have got today for you a incredibly fast and delicious recipe for air fryer bratwurst. And be sure to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, leave a positive comment below, especially if you've got a variation on this recipe. But this is nice and simple, not doing a lot of special things, not trying to cut these up and cook them with other vegetables. This is literally, I just want to fry some brats and put them on a hot dog bun. First thing to do is get a package of brats. Now, brats can be bought either cooked or uncooked. These are uncooked, so they take longer in the air fryer. If they are cooked, you're really going to have to play around with how long it takes to heat them up. But you're going to organize them in the basket in a single layer. Don't stack them on top of each other. You want air circulation around them. If you do this recipe and you end up with a lot of excess smoking from the grease coming off, put down a layer of parchment paper before you put the brats in. That should help. Next up, the recipe I tried, and you'll see at the end here, it didn't quite work out as I expected, was at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. I let it run, and at the end of it, they came out. Now, these look beautiful to me, but honestly, they were a little overcooked. I stuck a thermometer in to check and make sure they were over 160 degrees minimum, and they were 202. So if I had to do this over again, I'd probably put them in for about 12 minutes, but your air fryer might be different. I'd put them in for less time, open it, check, and then run them for an extra minute at a time just to see what works for you. But the end result was this beautiful, simple, and fast meal. Couple of brats, made some macaroni and cheese. Hey, throw a salad in there as well. And it's incredibly fast with really no time or cleanup on your part. So I hope you love it. Let me know your comments below, and I hope you have a great day. Good luck experimenting.